Hello friends, I'm Sohail, your host. You are watching Yaris Vlog YouTube channel, and in this video I'm gonna share with you simple tricks to get 30 subscribers per day. Before going into the main topic, I would like to request you, if you are new in my channel, please subscribe, press the bell button, watch the full video till the end and watch this video attentively. After little intro video, I will take you into my PC screen. Friends, first go to google.com and search LikeNation, and then you will see LikeNation.com on first page of the Google search. Then click on it and you will see a new interface. If you don't have any account on LikeNation, then you can register clicking right on the top. Just write your username, email address, a password. Select your gender, select your country, and then you may register an account verifying I am not a robot. Friends, I already have an account. Now I will log into my account. You just need to verify your account and then log in. So I would share these simple tricks which I am talking about before starting this video. So keep watching. Now you can see a new interface after logging into my account. Dashboard, there is some tools, some menus, daily bonus, add money, buy points function, buy VIP, affiliate, and my username also is there. So I'm clicking on the daily bonus menu and showing you how actually it's offering. Daily bonus means you will get 400 points if you reach at the level of 100 clicks. If you don't have time to exchange, then you can purchase depositing any amount in the add money section and buy points. You can purchase points from the buy points sections, and you can use affiliate sections to promote your referral link to get more points. Each time your friends sign up with your link, you will get 300 points. That means you can get 30 subscribers by 30 points. Actually you can put 9 points, 8 points, 7 points as you wish, but I will recommend 10 points for this. You can see affiliate program section is here. You just need to copy your referral link and promote on the social media network and get referral to get more points. Now I will go to my page and show you how I am doing. I have added one YouTube channel in my YouTube channel there, and you can see to add your YouTube channel or any other social media site to get followers or subscribers, YouTube views, you need to click on the add page section, and then you will see a new interface. Just select the type what you want. The type of service provided by LikeNation is Facebook likes, Facebook photo likes, Instagram likes, followers, YouTube likes, subscribers, like that. I know, I'm sure that you have come in this video to learn how to get subscribers actually. So select YouTube subscribers, then you will see a new interface is there. Just select the type, then put your channel URL is in there, and select the points you want to distribute per subscriber, and you can fill it daily limit and total limit. If you keep 0, then it will be unlimited. Then you can select your any gender you want become your subscribers. Then you can choose all countries, or you can select multiple countries or any chosen countries you want actually to get your subscribers. Friends, keep in mind one thing, that YouTube channel is new, you just started your YouTube channel and it's small, it's not getting much views, then please don't try to get more subscribers to take you into your YouTube channel. It can be very harmful for YouTube channel as YouTube algorithm is very restricted right now. So try to get few subscribers per day, and these subscribers from this site actually works good for me as well, and hopefully it will work good for you, because I am also using this site to grow my channel as well, because some subscribers watch my videos as well, and LikeNation also provide YouTube views, that is very good for any new starting YouTuber channel. So friends, in my LikeNation dashboard you can see that free 300 points you can get simply referring your friends, and if you subscribe to LikeNation, then you will get another 300 points. They will provide you 300 points coupon to your email also, and you can get 2500 points free if you upload an YouTube video. If you upload a video on YouTube about LikeNations and how does it works and following its rules, what actually asking from you by LikeNation. There is no limit actually how much subscribers you can get per day. You can set your own limit, that means you can get unlimited subscribers per day, but I would recommend you to take only 30 or 10 subscribers per day. It would be good for you. So friends, if you feel this video is helpful for you, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell button. I will come with new topic. Thank you.